Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix Binance verification field issue. If you're unable to verify on Binance or if you're unable to log in, then what you can do is there are several steps how you can fix it. So make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now first of all, any documents that you submitted must be fully up to date. Expiry documents and documents that are not fully visible corner to corner are considered invalid and will be rejected by the system, which means that you'll have to take a clear picture of your documents while submitting. Make sure that your background is plain and make sure to take a full size photo. And if you are having ID uploading your ID, you'll also need to ensure proper lighting while taking your selfie and ID photos as well. And also, if you're using any sort of filters or any sort of props, you should definitely remove them and you should take as natural picture as possible. Apart from it, you can also check for an update. Sometimes not updating your application can also hamper this kind of issues. So basically, these were some of the ways to fix your Binance verification field. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.